Here's a Dinky 102 Joe 90 car. It's in pretty good condition. When I got it, the front glass was broken, so I have a reproduction one of those. It was a bit tricky to get in. It took quite a bit of sanding on the top and bottom, but eventually you can put it in from the outside here. The back light wasn't working either. It still doesn't work. I got a new bulb for it, but there's quite a lot of resistance, drop in voltage between the battery and the bulb, so I'm not really sure what's causing that. The other main problem with this was that these tail fins were loose, just sliding in and out. So someone obviously had the car apart at one time and couldn't get it back together properly. So I eventually managed to get it back together, and I'll show you how I did that. Okay, it comes apart quite easily. Just take that out. It's only the one screw. So that's the problem. Everything comes apart. You can see these sliders. They fit in these bits here. So the current for the light just comes from here, goes through the body, through this rivet, then into one end of the lamp. So it's not the best. Not the best connection, quite a lot of resistance there. Touch these together. So the other end there. That end's fine. So there seems to be quite a lot of resistance between the body and this connection in here. Don't really know why that should be. So let's just screw it back together like this. So you get any light out of it. Turn it on. There's a feeble glow there. I'll turn this light off. Play around with that a little, seems to help. So it's not really great. I don't know if it was good out of the factory or not. It certainly doesn't flash or blink. It's the best I can get it. Now, it's been a while since I did this, and I remember it was pretty tricky. First bit, get these slots into these parts, and they control the rear wings. Now, get the wings in position. What did I do? I'm sure I tied a bit of wire to keep everything in place. Let's try that. No, I don't know. Twist it around. Okay, now that's in place. Now, to get that spring on this hook. Oh, that's it on. Right. Now that's holding everything in place. So we'll hook this in here. And work. It's very tricky. Come on. What's stopping it? Oh. What's stopping it? Come on. Ah, look. Switch for this. Oh, sweet. Now, try to get a screw in. Feel like it's the proper thread. Right. Now if we cut this, pull it out, tighten this up. It's definitely not the right thread. Okay. Right, let's see if this works. Oh, nice. Okay. That's the way I put it together, back together. Probably the simplest. It's just a pity the back, the jet light doesn't work too well.